Hey guys, so today I have my Ipsy bag for the month of June. So let's get into it and see what's in here. So I did go ahead and pick up 3 add-ons this month just because the add-ons were super good. And the first add-on that I got is this Goldfaden MD. I got this brand in my last Ipsy bag. I got a moisturizer. So I picked up the Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. And I mean, I like the moisturizer so far, so hopefully the eye cream is good too. And then another add-on that I picked up is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. This is super expensive on its own, so getting it as the add-on price is really nice. And I'm really excited to try this out. And then the last add-on that I picked up was the Wander Beauty Catch the Light Highlighter and Glow Lotion. And this is in the shade Celestial. So let's see how this looks. So it's like a little stick highlighter on the tip. Swatch that. So there is like the one that's on like a little balm. And then in the tube, there's a Glowtion, a glow lotion, whatever. So let's see what that looks like. All right, and there's the Glowtion. And so that'd be really nice just to mix with like your foundation, I feel like, or even just like to tap on right there. Oh yeah, that's pretty. One thing I really don't like about the add-ons is that it adds like an extra week to how long it takes to ship your Ipsy bag. First world problems, but it sucks. Okay, so let's get into the actual Ipsy bag. I got the red color this month. I saw you could get a bunch of different colors of these, and it's Tetris themed. I like the little Tetris block on there. It's super cool. And Ipsy actually has a collaboration with Tetris this month, so everybody got a product from that. Let me see what one I got first. Okay, so my Tetris and Ipsy product is a lip balm. And what shade is it in? Does it tell me? This is in the shade Mad Skills. So it's like a red with a purple center. I don't know. So let's try this on. Let me swatch it first. So it probably doesn't have much color. Yeah, it's just like a hint of color, but I mean, it's a lip balm, so. Okay, so I really like that lip balm. It feels super nice and creamy and moisturizing on the lips. It's not like waxy or anything, so I do really like that, and I like the subtle hint of color. It's like a Kool-Aid kind of stain, so I really like that. I actually picked up the full Tetris collection, so I'm going to be filming my swatches and review or whatever on that next, so I can put it up in the next day or two, so I will link that whenever it's available. Okay, and the next thing in here looks like it's a perfume. That's a first. I've never gotten a perfume from Ipsy. Okay, so this is from, oh god, I'm gonna butcher this. Etat Libre de Orange. I don't know if I said that right at all, but this perfume is called I Am Trash. So, okay. So let's see the notes. The notes are bitter orange upcycling, apple upcycling, rose upcycling, cedarwood upcycling, and garget strawberry. So this says, beauty will save us from waste, a fragrant resurrection with upcycled ingredients, the first modern perfume of the 21st century. There are treasures in the trash and we have found them for you. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and sniff. So that's pretty cool. Let's see how this smells. Definitely smell the rose on first sniff. Oh, and I'm getting some of the bitter orange and cedarwood. I feel like the longer it sits on the skin, the more the fruity notes come out. So I don't really like rose scents, but I don't hate it. And next in here, looks like it's a nail polish. So this is a nail polish from Fluide, and I think the name is Secret Project Robot. So it's like a nice cobalt blue. I do really like nail polishes, so I'm not mad at that. I'll definitely try it out. I've never tried any nail polishes from Fluide. Next, we have a mask from I Do Care. This is the Space Kitten T-Zone Clearing Galactic Black Peel-Off Mask. So I haven't tried any masks from I Do Care. I have wanted to. I wanted to try like the one that's supposed to be like the Glam Glow one, the metallic silvery one, but this is like a galactic black. So I will definitely try this out, see how I like it. Okay, and the last product in here is from Pixi by Petra, and this is a LipLift Max in the shade Sheer Rose. So I think I'm gonna try it over this Balm from Tetris and see how I like it. So it's like a lip plumper, I guess. Ooh, it smells like minty. Okay, so I do like the color of that. It's not super opaque, but it's just like a nice color and sheen. And I do feel like the tingly lip plumperness of it. It feels kind of like the Buxom, but like a more tame version of that. Definitely not as intense as the Buxom lip creams. So I will definitely have to try this out more and see how I like it. It's just like a very cooling feeling. Feels like my lips are cold. So that's cool. Alright, so that's all of the products that I got in my Ipsy bag this month. I think I like pretty much everything that I got. The mask I will definitely use. I love peel-off masks. They're fun. The Tetris and Ipsy lip balm, that's super awesome. I just love that they collaborated with Tetris. That's so cool. And the lip balm feels really nice, and I really like the color too. The nail polish is just like a generic cream cobalt nail polish, so not so exciting, but I do like nail polish, so I will definitely use it. The perfume is pretty cool. I've never received a perfume through Ipsy, so that's different. I like it. I'm definitely getting like more of like the fruity scents the longer I wear it on my skin, so that's pretty cool. I like it so far. And the LipLift Max, I think it was called, feels really nice and tingly on my lips. It feels pretty interesting, and I do really like the color. So I think this was a pretty successful Ipsy bag this month. Obviously I like the add-ons that I picked myself. So let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag, and if you got any of the add-ons, and what Tetris product you got, because I heard everybody got at least one product from there. So let me know what you got, and I will see you in my next video.